The Backup and Restore feature in the MyTASKA app makes it easy to swap settings between two hands of the same model. This is a great way to save time when exchanging your client's hand for a loaner during repairs or services. We also recommend using this feature at the end of an appointment so that you have a backup of your patient's settings, just in case. You will need the TASKA hand connected to a prosthesis, a mobile device running the MyTASKA application, and the hand, to which the user's settings we transferred to. Open up the MyTASKA app and connect to the hand with Bluetooth. Once connected, navigate to Settings, click on Backup and Restore, click on Backup Hand Now, give the backup a name, and hit Backup. You will now be able to see your backed up hand under the backups of this hand. If you tap on the backup, it will show you more details. Power off the hand and remove it from the socket. Take the other hand, attach it to the prosthesis, and turn it on. Once again, connect to the hand with the MyTASKA app, navigate to Settings, Backup and Restore, and look for the backup you just made from the previous hand under Backups of Other Hands. When you locate the backup, click the backup and select Restore. Your original hand settings will now be loaded onto the temporary loaner hand. Once this is complete, you can disconnect the hand from the app. Please be aware, Backup and Restore only works when transferring data between the same models. For example, a Gen 2 can't be used on a CX hand. For more information, visit our YouTube channel.